Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix asynchronous socket error 10053 on Windows 10 and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to go here in the search and you have to search for command prompt like this, and you have to click on run as administrator and you have to go for yes. And from here now you have to give a command which is ipconfig space / flush DNS. Okay, now you just have to press enter, and once after it is being successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, as you can see that, you have to go for the next command. So the next command is netsh then consoc reset. Now you just have to press enter once again, and this is also done, and you just have to press exit. Okay, once after it has been done, it is exit. And now what you have to do is you just have to do a small restart over here, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And this is what it's all about it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.